In this video, I'll discuss about transformation of energy and dissipation of energy. Transformation of energy means conversion of one form of energy into another form. Clear? And that is in the useful form. This is called as transformation of energy. Whereas when one form of energy is changed to another useful form of energy, a part of energy gets converted with the non-useful form, and this non-useful form of energy is called dissipation of energy. For example, to light a bulb, the electrical energy is converted into light energy, but a part of electrical energy converts into heat energy, which is radiated to warm the bulb. And this part of electrical energy is called as what? Dissipated part of energy. Clear? So this all is about the dissipation of energy. Now I am going to discuss few examples of transformation of energy. So for example, in a steam engine, chemical energy of coal first changes into heat energy of the steam, and then the heat energy of the steam changes into mechanical energy, which causes the train to move. Next, in an electric fan, the electrical energy changes into mechanical energy, and this mechanical energy rotates the blades of the fan. Next, in an electric heater, oven, geyser, etc., means all the electronic gadgets, the electrical energy changes into heat energy. Not all the electrical gadgets, but in some electronic gadgets like heater, oven, geyser, toaster, in this what happened? The electrical energy changes into the heat energy. In an electric cell, while in use, the chemical energy changes into electrical energy. So you can see also on the screen that this chemical energy changes into electrical energy, and this is helping the bulb to glow up. Clear? Next, in a glowing bulb, the electrical energy changes into heat energy and light energy. You must have noticed also that whenever we switch on the bulb, what happened? We get heat also as well as light also. In an electric bell, while ringing, the electrical energy changes into sound energy. In a school or at home also, every day you must be getting that when the light is, means when the power is there, then what happens if anyone switch on the electric bell, then you can hear the sound of the bell. Clear? Means electrical energy converted into which form of energy? Sound energy. In an electric generator, the mechanical energy changes into electrical energy, and that is why when there is no light in any function like in marriage ceremony or any kind of function, when there is no light, then the people use generator to run the electrical fans, electrical tube lights, bulb, many things are there. Clear? So in that what happened? Mechanical energy changes into electrical energy. In a microphone, the sound energy changes into what? Electrical energy. Yes, the best example is the mic. Okay. In loudspeaker, the electrical energy changes into sound energy, just opposite of what? Microphone. Then the plants during photosynthesis changes the light energy received from the sun into chemical energy, and that chemical energy is stored in the form of what? Food. Yes. When you do physical exercise or run, the chemical energy of the food is stored in you, what happened? Changes into which form of energy? Kinetic energy. Yes, because when you move, means which form of energy is there? Kinetic energy. When you are at rest, means which form of energy is there? Potential energy. Another example is like when we talk about the electrical gadgets like electromagnet, washing machine, mixer, grinder. In this what happened? Electrical energy changes into mechanical energy. Clear? So in electromagnetic, electrical energy changes into magnetic energy, whereas in washing machine, mixer, grinder, electrical energy changes into mechanical energy. In generator, what happens? Mechanical energy changes into electrical energy. Windmill, yes, you must have seen So in windmill, mechanical energy changes into electrical energy. Then in photovoltaic cell means what? You can understand like a solar cell. Yes, it is called as what? Solar cell also. So in this, light energy changes into electrical energy. Clear? Biogas. In biogas, what happened? Chemical energy changes into heat energy. In cooking gas, like cooking gas is what? LPG. In LPG, chemical energy changes into heat energy. In television, yes, what happens? Electrical energy changes into sound and light energy. So when you switch on your television, what happens? You get the sound also and you get the light also. Okay. In car, chemical energy changes into, yes, heat and mechanical energy. Clear? So this all is about the conversion of energy. A hammer at a height has the potential energy due to its raised position. When the hammer is dropped from that raised position, it begins to fall, and the falling hammer has kinetic energy. Thus, the potential energy stored in the hammer in its raised position changes into kinetic energy when the hammer is falling. This kinetic energy does work on the nail as the hammer strikes the nail and causes the nail to move into the wood. Clear? So this example I have discussed in the previous video also. Clear? So from this example, what we can learn that how potential energy converted into the kinetic energy. We can take the another example also to see that potential energy converted into kinetic energy. Like a wound up watch spring has potential energy because of its wound up state. As the spring unwinds itself, the potential energy changes into kinetic energy, and this kinetic energy does work in moving the arms of the watch. So this is also very nice example of conversion of potential energy into kinetic energy. Another example also we can take, like a stretched bow has potential energy because of its stretched position. When the stretched bow is released, the potential energy of the bow changes into its kinetic energy, and this kinetic energy does work on the arrow and makes the arrow to move. Another example, a compressed spring has potential energy in it due to its compressed state, and when the compressed spring is released, the potential energy changes into its kinetic energy, which does work on the ball placed on it and makes the ball to fly away. Clear? So this is all about the conversion of energy from one form to another form.